Welcome to SEO Central, the best hub for everything related to software as a service. Improve website ranking on search engine results page by analyzing 100 website data points and providing real recommendations. In order to gain top ranking on Google, one needs to audit one's website first. SERPWizz is an efficient and free-to-use tool that allows users to automate the auditing of their website, maximizing optimization rates later. That is welcomed by website owners, freelance website designers, and digital agencies alike. SERPWizz stands out of competition due to the wide range of features it offers and simplicity of use. Its SEO toolkit consists of such features as meta tags, backlink checker, and robots.txt. All 14 members of SERPWizz are happy to provide help to users throughout the implementation process. SERPWizz is a website auditing toolkit that has some tools to improve your SEO, on and off page, XML sitemap, robots.txt, and embedded objects are coming from the toolkit. Also has some usability features. URL, favicon, custom 404 page, and page size are tracked for better position in the search engines. If you need a reliable site audit tool, then the SERPWizz tool could be the best portion for you according to your needs and requirements. This tool will check each SEO element that your site should or could use, then will guide you to precisely keyword optimization implementations, give you clear, actionable, and priorities recommendations. In addition, the SERPWizz toolkit also includes advanced website monitoring tools, taking your SEO strategy to the next level. SERPWizz is a website audit tool that can be used to improve your website's SERP ranking. The tools kit encompasses a wide range of features and functionalities, white hat SEO strategies like backlink checker, robots.txt tester, and XML sitemap generator. With SERP Analyzer, you can also track your SEO progress and measure your website's performance. SERPWizz is the perfect SEO toolkit for website owners, managers, creators, and web agencies who want to level up their SEO. The audit tool includes an exhaustive analysis of your website and the SEO elements inside it. It comes with a link building and tracking tool to help you grow your organic traffic. SERPWizz is accurate, is beautiful, and gives you actionable insights that'll help you make the right decisions to grow your business website's organic traffic. Get your lifetime deal right now. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. See you in the next video.